This is a 2012 Nissan Versa hatchback, automatic transmission, and a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. So today remove engine side of thermostat replacement. So first of all, remove battery, intake vent pipe remove out, and next step, replace these things here and this, and remove screw there, remove thermostat. This hose from here. This remove 6 piece of screw. Head is 10 millimeter. 6 piece screw. Remove it. Thermostat here. Okay, remove it. This one. It's not good. Something I remove. Came out or something. This piece not working good. Broken something. That's why overheat.